Okay, great, great. Yeah, I started back in January of this year. I saw Amanda on during an interview with one of the other marketers, and I kind of connected with her, of her story and where she had been and what she had done. Um, I had tried other affiliate programs before, but they didn't quite work out. So I'm relatively new. So I was just looking for where I fit, into a program. And so this program seems like it was the one for me, given that she started with that you don't have to promote a lot, or don't have to promote anything if you don't want to. So that kind of fit me getting started in marketing. So yeah, that's pretty much where I started. And when I started, I started making funds like every week, like the first 3 days, I started making money off the S3 method. So that really excited me, because I'd never made money, before. So that I really enjoyed that part, getting started and making some income and letting it grow each week. So, yeah.
Awesome. Awesome, man. I really glad you decided to join us. You've been an asset to it, and I appreciate you. When did you get started, Willie?
Back in the second week in January of this year.
Oh, okay. Okay. Have you been able, how much have you been able to make so far without recruiting?
Um, let's see. I started out with about $3 or $4, worked myself up to about $45, and went from there. Yeah.
Is that a day? Is that a day?
No, that was like about every 2 weeks, every 2 or 3 weeks.
Okay, that's good. Hey, we all got to start somewhere. That's very good, Willie. To do that with no recruiting, not much effort, that's awesome, brother.
No.
That's awesome. Now, with this, where do you see it going, Willie? Do you see it really being very powerful for everybody? How do you kind of view it?
Yeah, I think it's going to be very powerful for everybody because it offers you the mindset, to get started. You got to have some kind of hope that this will work because you run into so many things that don't work. And this just gives you that empowerment that, hey, this will work for everybody, not only me, but everybody. So, yeah.
Awesome. Awesome, Willie. Appreciate you coming out and sharing that with everybody.